Hello everyone, this is KUSHWAHA from Mumbai. All the best for your tomorrow's exam. I'll give you a few tips. I have already given so many tips in my previous videos and I have covered all the chapters. I'll give a quick review on equation of a line because the learners are finding this topic difficult. I got few messages yesterday. So first and foremost thing I would like to guide you is for selection of questions. So this time 10 minutes are given for reading time. So these reading times you don't read first question because you will be tempted to read the answers and your 10 minutes will be wasted in that. So rather than reading this question 1, you go in section B and have best selections of 3 questions out of 5. So first you have 2 best for scholars. Those who are aiming 100 out of 100 means 40 out of 40. They will obviously pick up the best 3, 10, 10, 10. And those who are average students who are finding some topics difficult, they can omit few topics and they can have at least first 2 10 10 and the last one 10 9 8 7. They can have the criteria 2 2 3 3 3 2 or at least they know any 2 or any 3. Okay, but attempt each and every subpart. Don't skip any because you know the methods by this time. You got almost 5 months or 5 to 6 months to study these 10 topics. So attempt each and every question and then have time management. As I mentioned, like time management, you should not give more than 10 to 15 minutes for question 1 because there are 10 subparts. Or you just suppose 20 marks, 20 minutes for each. So you have to attempt 4 questions. So 20, 20, 20, if you give to next 3 questions also, then it becomes 80 minutes. Then also you will get 10 minutes to revise, to just have a recap or review of your answers. And while checking your answer in last 10 minutes, you just check whether you have copied anything wrong or you skipped any question. So you will read section B in reading time to have best selection of 3 questions out of 5. Let us begin the topic, equation of a line. The first thing is any point which satisfies the equation lies on the line. So if the question may come in 1 mark, just check this point lies on which line. So if the point is 3, 5, you will substitute x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. You must be knowing by this time any point which lies on the line satisfy the equation. So this may come in 1 mark, this may come in 2 marks. Sometimes they may give you the point k, 4 and line is given. Equation of line is given 2x minus 5y is 11 or whatever. So substitute x is equal to k and y is equal to 4. You can get the value of k. It may come in 2 marks. Or you never know, in 3 marks as well. Then the slope of a line can be asked to be found in 1 mark or it may come in 2 marks for further. So finding slope of a line, there are 3 ways. One is when theta is given, the angle of inclination is given. So m is tan theta, m is slope here. And when 2 points are given, x1 y1, x2 y2, you must be knowing y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is the other way to find slope. And the third way is when equation of a line is given, any equation 5x plus 3y is 22 or whatever, make y subject. Okay, shift y to left hand side and shift other things and then divide by coefficient of y to get y only. This is not 5y 2y, this is only y. So y equal to mx plus c. The coefficient of x is your slope. So there are 3 ways to find slope. You must have understood finding slope may come in 1 mark or it may come in 2 marks. 2 marks it will come when they will give you the question, find the slope of a line parallel to given line. So parallel to given line, I have mentioned the slopes of parallel lines are equal. So find the slope of a line and then write the reason. Since slopes of parallel lines are equal, therefore the slope of the given line or the line parallel to given line will be minus 1, minus 2 or 5 upon 7, whatever it comes. Then product of slopes of 2 perpendicular line is minus 1. So sometime they will give you an equation, whichever equation they give you, x minus y is 2 or 5x minus 3y, any equation they give you, just find the slope by making y equal to mx plus c. And whatever slope you get, either you write negative reciprocal because they said product of slopes of 2 perpendicular line is minus 1. So m1 into m2 is minus 1. If m1 is given, you can find m2, or if m2 is given, you can find m1 by writing negative reciprocal. Suppose the slope comes 2 upon 5. So the slope of perpendicular line will be minus 5 upon 2. You have to put negative sign. Be careful of sign, okay, while writing slope. Then we come to the main topic, equation of a line. There are again 3 ways to write the equation. How I told you, there are 3 ways to find slope. Same way there are 3 ways to find equation of a line. First is when your slope is given. Slope is also called gradient in other words. Slope is given and y-intercept is given. Y-intercept means the point on y-axis. So when y-intercept is given, slope is given, the equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c. You can take very well screenshot of the equation and you can revise the things. And then second one is when slope is given and one point is given. One point means x1, y1 is given. Please remember, these x and y are unknown. In every equation, x and y are unknown. Other than them, the things are given. And the third one is when 2 points are given, x1, y1 and x2, y2. You can write direct equation y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. Some scholars, they find it easy, but I don't guide you. For average children, please don't apply this formula. Better you find the slope first, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and then write this way only, y minus y1 is mx minus x1. Your teachers must have guided you, so please follow it. This becomes complicated for few learners, so you may apply these, you may remember only these first 2 equations. Then to find coordinate of a point, sometimes they may give you like a line is given y equal to 4 or y equal to 3, and another line joining these 2 points, intersect it. Find the point of intersection or the coordinate of intersection. So what do? Find the equation of these 2 points and then apply simultaneous equation method. Here, suppose the line is given y equal to 3, so substitute y equal to 3, you can get x. I am going little fast as it is quick review. If you want to go for more sums somewhere or someone of you may write to me, sir, why you are not solving questions? So I have already given a lot of question solving in equation of a line. You can refer my video. And then any point lying on x-axis, please remember, then y equal to 0. Line point x-axis means x-intercept, the point lies on y-axis means y-intercept. So the coordinate will be like x comma 0 or 3 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0. When the point lies on y-axis, then x will be 0. So remember to write the point. Sometimes they may ask to write the point. This you must have learned in area section formula and midpoint formula. But in this chapter also sometimes they want to know, find the equation passing through midpoint or prove that the line will pass through the midpoint of these two, the line joining these 2 points. So they are able to find the coordinate by using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. And then sometimes they will ask, find the equation of median, then centroid is given, or you will find the equation of the point of centroid or vertex A, suppose AG. So centroid formula you all know, x1 plus x2 upon plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Please remember, origin is always 0, 0. Sometimes they may ask, I am not teaching you distance or section, I am teaching you equation of a line. So you should know the coordinate. Find the equation of a line joining origin to A. So there you have to apply this way only. Find the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and then apply this equation. Please write proper digits. Sometimes children write 0 and it becomes 6 and they only take it as 6. So 6 and 0 is very common error. 11 is also common error because sometimes you write fast 11, it becomes 4. Sometimes equal to sign becomes negative. So you have to be very, very careful. Read the digits carefully and you have to just check your signs. Every time it has been observed that the learners, they copy the digits wrong and they are given like copied wrong. They get method mark only 1. So spare 10 minutes to check your question paper again. Just if you have skipped any question, again I am telling you, don't read first question because you will be tempted to read the answers and it will occupy your 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So start reading from B section. Thank you very much. All the best, all parents, teachers and learners. Thank you very much. May God bless you.